Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna talk about Klok app. This tool allows you to use ChatGPT 4 and another AI tools for free. So if you want to learn how to do that, keep watching. But before we start, if that's your first time here, welcome to our YouTube channel where we teach you how to make money online for free. So if you are ready, let's get started. Hello and welcome back. If you want to use ChatGPT for free, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Copy that link and then open any browser that you usually use and paste the link into the search bar. Then you will land on this page and start using this tool. You need to sign in using your Google account. So click on Continue with Google. After you log in, you will land on this page, and if you scroll down a little bit, first you need to verify you are a human. So click on this box on the left side. They will show you this box where it says Ask me anything. And right now we are using DeepSeek R1 model, but if we want to change it to ChatGPT, click on this box. And as you see, we can switch between DeepSeek R1 and GPT-4o Mini. But for now I'm gonna choose ChatGPT-4o Mini. Next, you can ask about anything that you want. But here in our channel we are talking about making money online, so I'm gonna ask some questions about this niche. Let's start with the first one: how to make money online in 2025. And when you finish, click on this arrow on the right side. And wait a few seconds. And as you see, it gives me some information like freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, online courses and ebooks, investments, and so on. Now let's go back to the top, and to start a new question, click on this icon on the top left corner, which looks like a message icon. They will show you this message, so click on New Chat. Again, just scroll down a little bit and verify you are a human first. And now let's ask the second question, like how to invest in crypto. And as you see, it gives me some steps to start investing in crypto. Now let's go back to the top and start a new question. So click on this icon on the top left corner, then click on New Chat, and you will land on this page again. And if you notice, in the top right corner there is a box contains numbers. Click on it. They will show you this message. This tool allows you to earn Mira points for free. So every time you ask a question, it gives you 10 points. Those points will be converted into real tokens in the future. So try to use this tool as much as you can to increase your earnings. Alright guys, that's all what you need to know about Klok AI tool. But before you go, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. This tool is still in the initial phase, which means you may have some technical issues when you use it, and in that case, just refresh the page or try to log into your account again and you will be fine. Also, this tool allows you to use ChatGPT for free and ask up to 10 questions every day. But if you want to ask more questions, you can sign in using another Google account, which you can create for free. And by the end of this video, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and invite them to join our channel. Also, if you have any question, leave a comment down below. See you soon, guys. Good luck.